Hi, geometry. So I am going to explain your first SWBAT, which is to describe points, lines, and planes. So what is geometry? Geometry is the study of shapes. And what are shapes made of? So if you can, just look really quickly at the 5 given shapes, okay? And shapes are made of, well, the first thing we know is planes. So the surfaces are called planes. Right? So a surface here in this rectangle is just this shaded face, I would say. This is also a plane, and this is also a plane right here, okay? Shapes are also made of the edges that are called segments, which are also parts of lines. So only along the edges where you see these blue lines, that we would call those segments, okay? And shapes are also made of, the surfaces and edges are made of points. All shapes are made of points. So you can honestly find a point anywhere on a shape, okay? So here you have your first set of notes. This should be written in your notebook. I know that I need to write it because I see the pencil in the top right corner. So you are writing these 3 definitions down. Feel free to pause this video or go to the slide. Then you have a real world example. So for some of you that watch sports, I know for football in particular, there's, in the video, there's like, well, when you're watching it on the TV, there's like these lines that come up. Those are also called planes. So they're like metaphorical walls that separate the end zones. So this is just a real world example to help you see how planes are used in real worlds. Feel free to pause this video and read the blurb below, or just go to the slide. So we have some practice questions. So here we have a triangle. So we want to shade the indicated plane. So it says plane ABC. So first I'm going to find the points, A, B, and C. So A, B, and C. So that means that this plane over here, the face of the triangle, right, is right there. So that is the plane ABC. So we're going to try again. So now we want to shade the plane ABE. So before I show the answer, try to take a guess on your own as to like what it is. And yeah, pause the video. But ABE, I'm going to find the points A, B, and E. And I know that that face or that plane right there is plane ABE. Okay. Finally, we have something that you should all be familiar with, especially coming out of Algebra 1. This is called the XY or coordinate plane, okay? Should be very familiar with this. We'll be using it later this year, okay? Then we have some questions to think for yourself. This is before you get to the next SWBAT, so I won't be going over this, but I hope this video helped. Thanks.